How to choose the right home physiotherapy provider. Choosing the right home physiotherapy provider for you is an important. It can be difficult to know which provider is best for you, and it's important to make the right. There are a few things to consider when choosing a home physiotherapy provider: your needs, your budget, your location, and the provider's experience. 1. To find the best home physiotherapy provider for you, consider: do you want weekly or monthly visits? Do you need specific treatments? These factors will help you decide which type of home physiotherapy is right. 2. Budget is also important when choosing a home physio. Some providers offer lower rates if patients commit to regular visits, while others charge based on treatment. 3. Location is another factor to consider. Do you live in a busy city or a peaceful rural area? Will you be able to travel? Again, this will help you decide which provider is best for you. 4. Finally, it's important to consider the provider's experience and qualifications. Make sure the provider has experience treating people at home and has the qualifications necessary to provide. Finding the right provider can be difficult, but with these tips, it will be easier.